Alright. This thing is like a magnet. People keep hitting me, bad stuff happens. And so I got sick of it. So we're gonna rip this piece of shit thing off and get rid of it. And we're gonna upgrade so people don't hit me no more. And you're gonna be along for the ride, so check this out. The first thing that we have to do is get this thing out and all that out. And I have just the tool for it. Now, it probably goes without saying, but I'll say it is, you should probably not start this job on a day you're not intending on finishing it. And since you're probably not going to be able to finish this job in one day, you probably shouldn't start it. I don't know, we're going to start it anyways, because once this bumper comes off, I can't really go nowhere until it's done. So, there is that. And I do have to work in about 48 hours. So, people will say, Travis, have you ever done this before? No, I have never done this before. It's like most things I do, I've never done any of this stuff before. But I did watch a YouTube video, and I've recently stayed at a Holiday Inn Express. So, that is basically enough. So, I'm not really sure how these things work. I'm sure there's a friendly way to take them out. That's not working. Yeah. Look at that. Just a little bit of subtle pressure. Not what you do there. Sometimes things come out a lot easier if you just use a little bit of nuance. These things are so easy to remove. I didn't even need this tool. I bought this tool just for this job. But anyways, that's life. And when you take these things out, I recommend putting them in a place where you're not going to lose them. Like, chuck them up there so they fall in holes a bunch of places. And this plastic's never going back. It's pretty unlikely that any of the stuff that I take out is ever going back in this car. I mean, basically, unless it's absolutely necessity, I'm not putting it back in this car. I gotta keep it down for race weight purposes. This part's very boring and I don't want to have to edit it, so I'm shutting you off.